Expanding on its top safety pick rating, the Volvo XC60 experienced crash testing by EuroNCAP, and has demonstrated it's to a great degree safe regardless of what association is trying it. The hybrid SUV, which we would consider a medium size in the United States, was named the most secure substantial off-roader by the association. This was on account of the Volvo had higher evaluations in EuroNCAP's 4 classifications of security: grown-up tenant assurance, kid inhabitant insurance, passerby insurance, and well-being help, than some other vehicle in its model year and class tried by EuroNCAP. The most amazing of the XC60's scores was in grown-up tenant security. It dealt with an almost consummate 98%. Curiously, the following nearest scorer in the class and year was the Alfa Romeo Stelvio with 97%. The second most astounding score for the Volvo was in security help with 95%, which Volvo notes was an entire 20% higher than the following best hybrid in the class from the Volvo's model year. The youngster tenant rating was 87%, and the walker score was 76%. Back here in the United States, the Volvo XC60 about has the most astounding rating these can give, the top safety pick. It has the most astounding grade rating in each crash situation it has been tried in, and has good grades for impact counteractive action innovation. It passes up a major opportunity for the most astounding top safety pick plus rating since its headlights got just the second most elevated rating of satisfactory. Fog light scores dragged down a great deal of auto models this year as it has raised its norms for what constitutes a top safety pick plus. Additionally, it doesn't have a score for the traveler side little cover crash test.